What do you think?
Wow. Nice.
Hey guys, my name is Haig with Payless Kitchens and Baths, and we're back with another giveaway. This time we're in the city of Carson, and for Mother's Day, we received so many nominations, including a really special story from a daughter named Stephanie. Now, when Stephanie was telling us about her mom, Phoebe, she told us that she's as tough as they come. However, recently, she dealt with an unexpected amputation and her world completely changed. Now, unfortunately, the home hasn't kept up with that new reality. Now, Phoebe actually has a shower in there now. However, it was not meant for her new reality. And Stephanie has told us that every day she has to take her mom in and out of that shower, it feels unsafe and it's not a functional space for their family. Now, as a family-owned business in Southern California that has served SoCal for over 40 years, we wanted to step in. And for Mother's Day, we decided that this family was a perfect candidate for our free giveaway. Hi, good morning. My name is Haig with Payless Kitchens and Baths. We're here to surprise you this morning, Phoebe. Your daughter nominated you. Stephanie, she nominated you for the walk-in shower giveaway for Mother's Day. And we're here to surprise you this morning. These are for you.
Oh my God.
Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you.
And with your permission, may we get started? Yeah. Okay, let's do it.
Hi, my name is Stephanie Dowes. I am the daughter of my mom, Phoebe, and we are in Carson. So my mother, Phoebe's diagnosis was that she had very poor blood flow in both of her legs. They operated on her right side, but shortly after she started losing blood flow on her left side. So the only resolution there was that we had to decide if she wanted an amputation below her knee or above her knee. And so ultimately we just decided that we were gonna do an above the knee amputation just so that it had better chances of healing. It was a really unexpected procedure and she was hospitalized for 2 months as we waited for the amputation. And then she went to rehab for 5 months. So once she came home in November, we had a really hard time adjusting. Our home was not accessible because we also have stairs in the home and all of the living spaces are upstairs. And then one challenging thing was how we were gonna give her a bath safely. With our current bathroom setup, we didn't have enough space for her to be able to transfer safely in and out of the shower. I would say that with a shower chair inside, it would kind of like wobble because there's kind of a bench blocking. So there hasn't been an instance where she, fell or slipped or anything, but it is hard to kind of stabilize and transfer her in and out, especially with the restriction of the shower door. So she is able to bathe herself. However, she does need a lot of help getting in and out and transferring in and out of the shower area. I would say yes, because sometimes it's not easy for her to just be fully independent to go shower like she used to. So she does need my help. And I think with the addition of grab bars, that is one thing that we didn't have with our current setup. So being able to add that will help her be able to transfer even on her own rather than just holding my hand and trying to stabilize that way. And I think just having that extra space for her to be able to move around and navigate would be really helpful for her. So I would say the specific breaking point would just be honestly every day having to bathe her. It really is challenging having to transfer her in and out. And I think with the new setup, it'll allow her to feel more independent and not feel bad about having to ask for help to navigate around the shower and get in and out. It would be a huge help for me and my husband as well, who really help her be mobile around the house. And, whether it's pushing her around or bring her inside or outside of the shower, I feel like she'll feel some sense of independence. And I'm really happy for that because ever since her procedure, there are a lot of things that she's not able to do, like just be able to get up and cook or just be able to get in and out of the shower. And that's just something that we take for granted or just don't think about how much of a blessing it is to be able to do those things on a daily basis. I would say for other families who are experiencing the same thing, sometimes you might not need a full shower remodel, and you would be able to work with just smaller things that can help make your current setup accessible. So I would say just finding the right shower tools and benches, or just even something as simple as adding a grab bar is really helpful.
My name is Phoebe Dowes. It's very challenging. It's so hard for me, especially in my situation, where I inside the shower, my daughter, she has to help me in my shower chair so that I can take, a shower. It's really hard, really. Yeah, it's a little bit time consuming because I have to get up and sit down in my shower chair. And yeah, because I'm sitting down in my shower chair. Sometimes I'm scared. I might, something happened to me, might fall, or because inside the shower it's a little bit wide or big. When I'm taking a shower, I'm always scared sometimes. When I'm inside the shower, sometimes I'm scared because it's not that wide or big.
Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you. Thank you.
Seeing the remodel for the first time, honestly, was really like heartwarming, and I was just so happy to see a smile on my mom's face. And just for our family in general, it's such a great feeling because we know that with these upgrades, we're now able to really have her bathe comfortably and safely. What really surprised me was the grab bars because we didn't have any in our existing setup. So seeing that addition, I think, is really going to help her be able to move in and out really smoothly. And I also liked the addition of the shower heads. I really was surprised about the addition of the chair. I think that's going to be really useful when my mom uses a shower. I was really surprised too of the shower walls that were added. It adds like such a nice and neutral touch. And I love how they brought the shower walls all the way to the ceiling. It's really, really beautiful.
Because of all of our amazing clients, we're able to take on projects like this and truly change someone's life. From our family to yours, thank you for letting us be a part of this community. We'll see you guys in the next one.